Now that Thanksgiving is done, there's no more food. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to whip up a 30-minute Cajun chicken pasta. It's creamy, it's delicious. Let's get into it. All right, guys, to begin, we're going to start by boiling our pasta. I'm going in with a little bit of salt and chicken bouillon for flavor in the water. And then I'm going in with my pasta. Give that a nice mix, and then we're going to cover it. Allow it to boil until al dente. I'm using 2 chicken breasts, as you guys can see, skinless and boneless. I'm going to pat it dry. That's how you get that nice, beautiful sear on the chicken. And then you're going to slice it right in the middle, just like this. Perfect. Now you have even cut chicken breast, just like this. Now I'm going to dice my chicken because they're a little too big. So I'm just going to go ahead and dice them like this into bite-sized pieces. Now I have my chicken nice and diced up. I am going in with my seasoning. Now I'll leave the seasoning down below for you guys. Now I'm using my Cajun Crush seasoning, a little bit of onion and garlic powder, paprika, salt, and ground black pepper. I'm using half of the seasoning. Mix it up together just like so. Make sure every part of the chicken is nicely seasoned. Now my pasta is nice and al dente, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to remove it, drain the water so it doesn't continue to cook. Now it's time to pan sear the chicken. Add a little bit of oil to your medium-high heat skillet. I'm going to add the chicken in. You want a beautiful, nice sear on the chicken. Now we're just gonna let this sear for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. All right, guys, our chicken is finally done. When I tell you I just took a little taste of it, it tasted amazing, okay? Amazing, I'm telling you, the Island Vibe Cajun Crush seasoning is the way to go. I'm gonna have it below, or you can just go on Google, type islandvibecooking.com. You'll be able to find all of my delicious seasonings, okay? Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely delicious. Now here's what you're going to do next. You're going to grab yourself 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Keep that in mind. Allow it to melt. Now this, what you're looking at, is some sun-dried tomato. Wait, I know what you're thinking. I'm using only 1 tablespoon. Okay, don't go past that. You just want the flavor very lightly, or you're gonna be making Tuscan chicken pasta. We're making a Cajun chicken pasta. I do it all the time. It's always a hit. So after you add that in, you're going in with your onion, okay? Going to cook that for a few seconds, and then you go in with your minced garlic. Fry that. Oh yes, the smell in here, the aroma is to die for. Once you're done, everything is nice and translucent, and you can smell that delicious smell. Go ahead and pour in your heavy whipping cream. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, absolutely. Yes, all that underneath is flavor. Give it a few minutes to simmer, and it's going to release all that delicious flavor into your sauce, okay? So pour that in, and to make it even more creamy, yes, I do have some, you know it, cream cheese. Add that in. And now is the perfect time to go in with your seasoning too. This is the remaining of the seasoning that I use for the chicken. Just add that in. Give it a stir. Next, we're going to add some freshly grated parmesan. Now you can add as much as your heart desire, okay? You can't go wrong with the parmesan cheese, honey. Just go ahead and as much as you want. And I'm just going in with my pasta. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Love it. Absolutely, absolutely. Give that a nice mix. Now we gotta add the chicken. Yes, I'm gonna leave some of it to garnish on top of the pasta when I plate it. But for now, just going to mix it up together. All that flavor from the chicken is just going to mix with the sauce. It's just gonna make it so tasty. Now this is my to-go recipe. When I have nothing to make, I'll just make this up real quick, literally 30 minutes or under. You'll be ready to eat dinner. And now I'm adding some fresh parsley. Oh yes, maybe a little bit more Parmesan cheese, because you can never go wrong with that. And you are ready to go. You're ready to dive in. Let's get it. Perfect. Give it a mix. And I'm ready to eat. Perfect. All right, guys, it is time for the taste test, and you know I'm ready. You hear that sound? It's so creamy. Let's try it. Oh God. Listen, when in doubt, definitely make yourself a Cajun chicken pasta. It's quick, it's so flavorful, and I mean, it's amazing. That's all I can say. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Leave me a comment down below. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.